Hey, if you've been trying to start an online business but keep getting stuck, this video might be the turning point for you. Because I discovered a simple $7 system that uses AI and automation to help you earn income even if you've never built anything online before. Now, before you roll your eyes and think, here we go again, just hear me out. This isn't one of those complicated tech-heavy setups. You don't need to know coding, funnels, or ad strategies. It's literally plug and play, and the best part? It teaches you how to use AI tools like ChatGPT to create content, automate your follow-ups, and grow your business faster. When I first got started, I had no clue how to make money online. I was bouncing between side hustles, YouTube tutorials, and random programs that never delivered. Then I found this system. It was only $7, so I thought, why not? Within a few days, I had my own personalized website, my own email follow-up series, and a complete business setup. The system even helps me promote any other business I want all automatically. Here's what makes this so powerful. It's 100% automated emails, texts, and follow-ups run for you. You get mentorship and real coaching every week. It teaches you how to use AI to save time and scale your results. You can start earning while you're still learning how to grow. That's what I love about it. I'm not just earning income. I'm also learning how to build a real business with skills that matter. So if you're tired of overthinking, overworking, and still not seeing results, this is your sign to take action. I'll leave a link below this video where you can get started for just $7 one time. This could be the easiest and smartest decision you make today.